Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to build a perfect business. Now I'll give you step-by-step prompts here, and this is if you don't really know what you want to build, but you kind of have passions. I'll help you show how to find your niche and then kind of break it down from there, and I'll give all the prompts down below, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. All right, step number one is you want to discover your niche. So this is the first step. So you probably have passions and interests and hobbies. So you don't want to insert this here. I'm going to do this step by step with you guys as well. And then, things I enjoy, skills or work background. So this is things you can actually, you know how to do or you're good at, and problems I've faced or solved in my life. So this is going to identify 3 niche markets that align with you. Step 2. Once you have your niche, you can insert it here. And now you want to generate 3 business ideas that solve a meaningful problem in this space. So once you know your niche, then you're going to try to find problems. Then we're going to validate the best idea. So now we insert the idea from above, and we want to understand the following. After that, step 4, outline a simple business plan. All right, so here we go. Step 1, I'm going to take the prompt here, copy it, paste it in ChatGPT. So my passions and interests, I'm going to say, my passions, like if you've seen my last videos, birds and bird watching. Hobbies I enjoy, hiking, sports. All right. So it's saying number 1, here we go, an eco-adventure brand for birders and hikers. Eco-conscious gear for bird watchers who enjoy hiking. All right, so now we're going to take prompt number 2. And let's go with the eco-adventure. As you can see right now, it's validating the best business idea here. It's going to go through, is there real demand? It's going to give me some stats. All right, it's always going to give you next step options, but now I want to go into my business. Because we already have the idea, you pop that out, enter. All right, now we're building out the full brand and brand guide, brand personality, unique value proposition, marketing position statement. It's going to create a mood board, brand color palette, typography, and logo. All right, so it's given even concept designs for logos, for the font, for the colors. If you want to see these, I'll say, please create mockup, logo, and brand package. All right, so it made a little brand package. If you don't like it, you can obviously add your own color palette, your own font. But yeah, pretty cool. The next thing you want to do is continue just to build out everything. All right, so you can see it built the brand guide. It put the mock-up on the phone there. So this is amazing if you were trying to take this to investors or whatnot. But even this, you can build this app now. So you always just want to get your minimum viable product, right? Your MVP, something that just works. It's going to suggest layouts, clean, intro, what the app does, personalize it, let's explore, dashboard, trail explorer. You always want the best flow, best user experiences. You can create wireframes for each Figma style. Say, yes, please. All 3. So it built all this in minutes, preview. Even the little logo, how it loads. And all these work, look, home, explore, birds, journal, community, birds to watch for today. So it's built this all through ChatGPT. You can just say, yes, please, all 3. Now, if you guys seen my other video with Cursor or some of those other programs, you could take this and say, hey, I'm going to use Cursor to build this app. Can you help me write some prompts for Cursor? Throw it in Cursor and actually start building it. It's not as hard as you would think. It's just kind of troubleshooting step by step. But let's build an interactive visual mockup. All right, look at this. It's kind of building how it will look on a phone. And you could actually even take this screenshot and probably throw this into Cursor and say, here's my vision. and it's very smart. It would actually probably rebuild this. So I can do that in the next video. Now with this business model, the next step is revenue. How can you please help me with revenue model based on other apps in this niche? Pricing, options, etc. And what you can do is you can actually do deep research here, and it might ask me a few more questions. This is how it all ties together. Subscription model, one-time purchase, or a mix. I'll say whatever is best practices that will have the best results. And now it's going to start the research. All right, here we go. So the research took 6 minutes, 15 sources, 59 searches. It's going to do a freemium versus subscription. It breaks down all trails and the price per year, per month, how many users it has, 65 million users with 1 million plus subscribers. So that's 38 million in revenue. It goes through Gaia GPS, 59 outdoor. It has premium levels. It went through Merlin, which is 100% free. So I'm just telling it to add this into my business plan. So you can see it just updated here my the app here, free 7-day trial, add-ons, and you can build out all these sections. You can ask it to build out each of these sections. It's just prompt by prompt in PDF with visuals. This is just a quick summary. So if you're chatting with someone really quick, you can just give them the quick, really quick. Now what you can do is if they're like, yeah, that sounds interesting. Now you want to build out the full model. So you could ask to break down everything from funding, how you're going to use it, step by step for what you're going to build. You can build out a whole plan, 6-month launch plan. So what I'm going to do now is just ask it to build out a very detailed business plan, including all the steps to turn this into a reality. Including marketing plan, revenue model, here we go. It's going to do the full business plan, executive summary, mission statement, vision statement, target market, secondary users, problems, opportunities, which is the main thing. If you're not solving a problem, then go back to the drawing board, right? Revenue model, competitive analysis, market plan. Now, if you want any more breakdown, you would just take a section and say, okay, revenue model. So it's breaking out now the revenue model forecasted in the next 3 years. And like I said, you might want a risk analysis section, other sections like that. You can just ask it to get more and more detailed. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and good luck building your businesses.